video today. My name is Ahmad Zulkan and Goodyear, and make sure to subscribe and like if you're new to the channel. And here we learn people how to become a professional trader. And here here we'll be talking about major pairs and commodity and stock market. First, let's start with the major pair. If you know that the US dollar and the euro be traded most, so in the US dollar be traded most, that means Euro USD will be traded more. The most trading thing is the currency in Forex is Euro USD, AUD USD, USD NZD, CAD USD, this USD CAD I meant, and there's more. And now let's head to the stock. In the stock market, in the stock pair, you will get US 100, US 50, and you'll get UK 100. You'll get AUS 200, Australia 200, and you'll get German 40. You'll get France 40. And now we'll go to the commodity. What's commodity? The thing which we use, like gold, like coffee, like wheat, coffee, wheat, and silver, and crude oil, and that's and I don't remember more, and natural oil, and more than that. And this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and like if you want to be a professional trader. You're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and like.